this one better than me, guys.
Let's go. What he said? Yay! I'm gonna kick that seat. Oh, Kelly, she does it to you. I'm a ninja. Okay, so can you guide me?
Yeah.
Wait.
So he's doing the cotton ball challenge.
I thought you said something else. I was like, I'm doing the what?
Here's a spoon. And those are the cotton balls.
I'm just kidding. No! Okay,
He's trying to balance it.
Okay. Here I go. Ready? 5 scoops, right?
Yeah.
It fell off.
No, you're not supposed to know.
Are you freaking kidding me? That was nothing. 1.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Is this it? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Where is it? I can't find the plate. Is this plate? Okay. I hate this game. I hate this game really much.
You're just scoop it.
I suck at this game. That was 3.
Yeah.
Here, where's the plate? Is this the plate right here?
Yeah.
Oh, I have 1. Hello. Can't see. I hate this. That was nothing.
You're not supposed to know. So this is his last scoop. How many do you think you got?
2.
Let me see.
2.
Wait.
What?
Put it back on your head.
Okay. I can't see. Can I take the scarf out now? What are
Okay.
you doing?
Counting it. Go. Guess what? How many?
2.
No.
1.
Look.
Holy crap.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Dang, I thought I got nothing. You want to try it? Please.
I'm pretty sure you would be really good, like, cause like no offense, but A&M, I mean they're pretty good, but it's like no, cause like it's like, cause the really good universities usually that like place like win like first, second, or third is like UTD.
It's about 12:30 in the morning. And it's the 12th. So 11 days for my birthday. And I don't have anything else to talk about. I'm waiting for them to come upstairs. And yeah. Oh, they're so annoying. You'll see the cousin tag later. Cousin / best friend tag. So, yeah. I'm just waiting for him to come up. So that he can talk to you guys. And I'll leave his Instagram down below. So yeah. Rhino!
Kathleen!
Otter!
Hi.
Okay. Attractive.
Not.